Ever wondered how to make the perfect chili chicken at home? Well, it starts with a selection of simple ingredients and a bit of patience. First, gather up 500 grams of boneless chicken, cut into bite-sized pieces. For the marinade, you'll need 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon each of chili sauce and ginger garlic paste, a teaspoon of black pepper powder, a tablespoon of cornstarch and a pinch of salt to taste. Combine these ingredients in a bowl. Pour in the chicken pieces and ensure they're well coated. Allow the chicken to marinate in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. Once marinated, it's time for cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium-high heat. Introduce the marinated chicken pieces to the pan and cook until they turn a lovely golden brown. Once cooked, set them aside for a moment. Now it's time to create the sauce. In the same pan, add a bit more oil if needed. Toss in a sliced onion, a sliced bell pepper, and 2 to 3 chopped green chilies. Sauté these until they're slightly softened but still maintain a bit of crunch. Next, pour in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon each of chili sauce, tomato ketchup, and vinegar. Sprinkle in a pinch of salt and mix well. Stir in a mixture of 1 tablespoon cornstarch with 2 tablespoons water to thicken the sauce. Now, reunite the cooked chicken with the pan and toss until the chicken is well coated with the sauce. Allow it to cook for another couple of minutes until everything is heated through and the sauce has thickened. And there you have it, your homemade chili chicken. Garnish with chopped spring onions if you like, and serve hot with steamed or fried rice. Remember that the beauty of homemade dishes is the freedom to adjust the spice levels and ingredients according to your taste preferences. Enjoy the process, and more importantly, enjoy your delicious chili chicken. Your kitchen, your rules.